Here's a cool fanny pack, great for undercover work. It's got an embedded 1080p camera right here. It comes with an included 5-hour battery. Upgradable battery though for 50 hours. Has the quick start guide, user manual, and of course free tech support from SpyCentre Security. On the fanny pack, we got the 1080p camera right here. So we unzip the second pocket, and here's where your unit is. So you basically plug in the power that comes with it. This is a 5-hour battery. Just plug it in right there. And on the unit itself, you need to make sure you have your SD card, in the slot. It takes up to 128 gigs. Then you just turn the switch to the red position and you're on. Everything else is set up through the phone. Download the AllCam 365 app. Once you launch it, make a free account. Tap the plus, tap scan QR code, and then scan the QR code on the bottom of the device. Next, you'll show the QR code that's on your phone to the camera that's in your new hidden device. Wait for a minute, it'll recognize and automatically load. Once you've added that, you can tap into the live stream, you can review recordings, you can change all the settings. With this camera, you can expect full 1080p HD video with an embedded camera that captures 90-degree field of view. If you want to check out this product, go to SpyCentre.com or give us a call at 800-292-7748.